comet. A comet is a dirty snowball, according to Fred L. Whipple.
That dude's a boss.
He, as you can see right here, come look.
You see that? All you gotta do is look at it. Just look at it.
There's dirt.
That's all you gotta do is look at it.
There's dirt right there. It's made out of dust too. That's all the gray.
Right there.
And then its primary color is white, as you can see. And so that's basically what a comet structure is. It's made out of dust, dirt,
Hydrogen.
hydrogen, yeah, ton of gases, and
All
basically
that good
like
space stuff no one knows about except smart Bill Nye people.
the purpose of this experiment was to compare and contrast a real comet to a model comet, and our hypothesis was if we got dry ice and formed it into the shape of a real comet, then they would both look similar to
Which
each
they
other.
do.
But none of them are exactly the same. They're all different shapes and sizes.
Oh. Yeah, look at that. There's a comet right above us. There's a
There's a lot
comet
of-
right
Do you see a comet?
right above us. Look, it's right. Look, dude, it just landed right there. Did you not see that?
That's awesome. Let's go take a look.
Look. It's right there. Can you believe that?
It's awesome.
It's such a coincidence. Jeez.
Yeah, that's like crazy. It's
I know.
nuts. Our materials were dry ice, a saw to round the edges, gloves, because when you touch the dry ice, it will
It can burn your
will
skin
burn you.
right off.
But when you have gloves on, you're fine.
Insulated gloves.
And yeah, and goggles, because goggles will protect your eyes from, like if you're chipping it, which we had to do too. We had to hammer nails into it and chip it. Some like flew up, so it protected our eyes from getting cut.
And it makes you look good anyway.
Yeah, it makes
That's
you
just
look
what I
good.
think.
Makes you look like a scientist.
Yes.
And then all we needed was some dirt, some spray paint, some gray spray paint, and
The dry ice,
yeah,
of
and then
course.
the dry ice, as we said before. But the safety was gloves, you could get burnt, goggles because the chips of dry ice can get in your eyes, and
More
our
clothing?
procedure was we got the dry ice, we brought the dry ice home, we unwrapped the dry ice to find it. It was a rectangular shape. We sewed the dry ice to make it the shape of a real comet, and we made a model of the color of the real comet by tossing it in dirt and spray painting it, and we basically just rubbed soil on it. That's what we did. Some stayed, some actually stuck on there. It's so cold. It's actually frosted right now, the dirt, and it makes it look really nice. And our observation was the comet basically looks like a disformed, dirty snowball. The color of our comet is brown, gray, and white. It's about 6 inches in diameter. It is evaporating from staying in warmer weather than it is used to. So it looks like almost a fog when it evaporates. And the comet looks as if it was real. The comet shooting out of the atmosphere past the sun. That's from it evaporating, passing by the sun.
It's all
Some
dust,
dirts and dust coming off.
gases.
And minerals. In comparison, both of our comets both look pretty much like only a real comet size is about 1 million times bigger than ours. But that's not exact. It's in the neighborhood and
It's just a good
in the
guess.
ballpark. So it was just a guess. And yeah, that's a comet, and Zach will hit you up with some fun facts.
So, Piers, well, just to get you started, an average comet's Four sides about 3/4 of a mile. Pretty big. Yep. Back to my man Fred Whippy.
Cool.
So yep. The first Dirty Snowball was recorded in 1950s. Great year. That's the same year that the Oort proposed his idea of the comet cloud. Yep. Whipple realized that most of the time a comet is small, cold, chunk of frozen gases, which make like ices.
Gases.
No.
Not to interrupt you, but in comparison, come here, look. The pole is actually frozen.
At this
From
moment
here
we
down,
speak, it is all
it is-
frozen.
It is this copper pole holding this up. It's just completely frozen. It's if you were to touch it,
Frozen.
it would have been like your hand would have hurt really bad. Ow! Yeah. So back to more fun facts.
Alright, well, as I was saying before, he rudely interrupted me. Sorry, I was just messing. The frozen gases, which make ices, mixed with dust, grains, and rocks, that's all like, you see right there, that's the grains and rocks and everything like that. Yep. But the comets that earlier astronomers discovered look like bright, blazing stars. But little did they know, they weren't stars at all. I'm not sure why, but they're not.
But the bright, they look like they could be one. The bright, they give off gases.
Bright
And-
gases.
Yeah, and they have a core.
Yep. But that seems to be it.
Yeah.
All right.
So let's wrap
Here's a
this up.
comet. Last thing was, here's a comet and it has a dirt path.
A dirt.
A dirt
You
path.
said dirt.
A dirt path. And
Oh,
get a close up on this.
Got you.
See? That's it. Might not appear right now, but
well, we can see what it's doing, but it's just the camera's quality, so.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
camera's
Yeah.
not working too good, but
Nope.
yeah.
But
Yeah,
that's
right
it
now
for
it's
today.
basically just looks like it's steaming.
comets.
That's a
Comet.
comet.
Yep.
So
My
this is
name's Zach,
our model. And I'm Ryan.
and that's little boy
Tom.
Tom. That's our video.
cameraman.
And that's
Uh,
a comet.
Hope,
Yeah, and
hope
unfortunately-
you liked it. But
Unfortunately, John is sick.
yep,
Yep.
we're about frozen right now, so we're gonna wrap this up.
It's cold. Oh,
See you
and
later.
Yes.
just if you were noticing, we did this at night because
Oh yeah. You get the full effect of
yeah,
the atmosphere.
it
you know,
looks-
all that.
it looks as almost it is.
Yes.
Like if you don't include the pole, it looks like it's floating.
Yes.
It looks very nice. Yeah,
Yes. All right.
All right.
it's a very
See you
nice
later.
chilly day.
See ya.
See ya.